We had hurricane force winds last night, throwing everything around, and include a couple high dollar items of mine. But the crazy thing that I came out to record is the sky and how weird it looks, because it's crystal blue right there, but yet it's nasty and thick right there. And then with the winds just blowing everything through town, got a lot of climate change right here in Anchorage, like within the last couple hours. And the winds are still just howling through the neighborhood. You can hear them behind me. Oh, here it goes again. Just these huge 60, 70 mile an hour gusts. Right here in Anchorage, Alaska. Weird weather. Those clouds up there. And then it starts going towards a regular day, towards the west. That's west. The mountains are facing east.